Today I'm going to show you how to make a Ginger Lime Fizz mocktail. You're going to need ginger beer, seltzer water, and some limes. Now, the first thing we're going to do is freshly squeeze some lime juice. You're going to need between 1/4 to 1 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice, depending on how sour you like it and how sour the lime you have is. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take that lime juice that we just squeezed and we are going to add it to our glass. I used about 1/2 ounce. Next, we're going to take our ginger beer. Any brand will do. This is just what I had. And we are going to take about 6 ounces of it and put it in with our lime juice. There we go. Oh, I spilled a little bit. Just a bit more. And there we go. Now the glass is getting full, but we have a little bit more to add. We are going to top it off with 2 ounces of seltzer water or carbonated water. Some of these are flavored. They usually don't have that much flavor. The one I'm using actually has a hint of lime flavor, but you can experiment with that. Be careful when pouring it, as it does have a tendency to kind of fizz up on you. And there we go, almost done. Now we're going to take one of those limes that we had earlier and add it as a garnish. You can do this in multiple ways. You can do kind of a whole sheet like I do. You can do a wedge. You can do kind of half a sheet. There's a lot you can play around with, but a lime garnish really kind of takes it to the next level. And there you have it. You are all done with your Ginger Lime Fizz mocktail. Now this is pretty easy to make, not too expensive, and it has a really good taste.
That's really good.
It has sour with the bite of the ginger. It's not too sweet, and even though it doesn't contain alcohol, it still has a little bit of a kick to it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.